Okay, we are lost. We didn't find the falls. Keep up, keep up, keep going.
Like a bird on a tree.
There they
I'm
are,
just sitting here.
surfing.
I got
Look at me.
time. It's clear to see from up here.
There's a wind farm, don't know the name of it. On our way to the Bridal Falls. Well, we don't know if we've missed the turn. We're still looking for the Bridal Falls, so we'll keep looking.
In the great outdoors,
Okay,
forever free.
we are lost. We didn't find the falls. The signs stopped. Typical New Zealand, I'm afraid. Follow the signs, and then they stopped. Okay, so we came right out to the other side. There's the sea out. The sea's out behind there. Okay, we might go back and stop off at a trail and see what that does. I don't know. On the left. This is on the right. It's got a car park. There's no sign that says falls. Probably that did further back. Anyway, we'll give it a go. These cars are all parked here. What? You've got to come down the trail. 10-minute walk to waterfall. How are we supposed to know when all it said was car park? Frustrating. We're only dumb Kiwis, we don't know. Car park meant waterfall? Bloody heck. We've got 3 rows here, which one? Toilet? 1, 2 or 3? Go in this middle one. Oh, that's just to a picnic area. Fine. Trying to get you. So it was the middle track. Okay. Let's have a look. I don't know what that says. Sorry, can't read your writing.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Oh, yay. We have the top and bottom. Super.
Great outdoors, forever free.
Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. So there, right here. Oh, wow, cool, isn't it? Wow. Oh, scary. Take a 50-minute drive from Hamilton, as we did, or a 15-minute drive from Raglan to these 55-metre high Bridal Veil Falls, or Wairienga Falls. Wairienga meaning leaping waters, referring to the Maori spirits leaping the great height of this waterfall. And the falls fall off the Pakoha River. To the midway to the bottom. Okay. We've got to come back up them. My favourite. Oh, yay. Let's go. lovely, isn't it? Scenic. It's gorgeous. Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? I love it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Oh, look at that rock next to it. Wow. That's cool, right?
Together, it's so beautiful. You and me, meant to be. The great outdoors, forever.
The cliff face appears to be of human construction rather than an accident of nature. Regular columns, one after the next, have built up a spectacularly beautiful cliff face.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
All water is seen to have originated from the separation of Ranganui, the sky, and Papatuanuku, the earth. Rain and mist personify their mutual grief at parting.
Meant to be.
On the way back up the steps, at the halfway point, this young man had his drone out again. We're just fascinated with it. Drove over to Raglan, into Raglan after the falls. Check this little place out. Low tide. Check out the museum. In the 19th century, Raglan was known as the flax capital of New Zealand. Pop up, free pantry. Feel free to take anything. Oh, the aroha. Books, shoes, empty sauce. That'll come in handy. Hey everyone, there's more jars and books stuck behind these shelves. Please feel free to help yourself to anything. Whoa, let's have a look. Oh, so there is. Jars. Oh, empty jars, I see. Okay, clothes even. I might pass on it. Cute little church. Church at Stewart Street. Is that what it's called? Raglan Congregational Church. The Raglan Union Church is the oldest church in Raglan, built in 1895. The museum you had to pay for, so we won't go and have a look. This looks interesting. What do you think? Is this a known surf beach, Raglan?
Surf beach.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's famous for surfing, isn't it? There they are. surfing. Look how many. Wow. Huh. Okay, we're going to drive down. Look at how many car parks. That's how busy this must get. It's clearly there's the surf lessons, rentals. Look at them all. Suits, boards. It's clearly a surfing beach. Wow. Just I've got rolls. It's a big beach. Raglan is a seaside resort for Hamiltonians and has been a surfing town since the 1960s. Maybe the unusual left-hand surf breaks are the attraction. Changing rules only for you. Hush, woman. Cute little park. Oh, and this bridge. Raglan's original name was Whaingaroa Village in 1858, but renamed after Lord Raglan, a British commander in the Crimean War. Lovely day, hey? Is this lovely? What's the day? Thursday the 29th March?
30.
Oh, it's the 30th. Oh, no apologies. I lose track of days. Thursday the 30th of March. Ooh, be April soon. Keep up, keep up, keep going. Oh, how gorgeous. Oh, that's sweet. One notable person born in Raglan was Eva Rickard, who was known for leading the 1978 Raglan golf course protest. It was a successful protest that Maori got their land back. The golf course turned into a farm with a marae and a training centre on it. Boardwalk here, isn't it? It's really a skate shop. Oh, there's the roller skate shop. Clever, Raglan.